Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Slavie, where we make cards and other paper crafts. And in today's video, we're going to do another unboxing, because that's our thing. Every month, we unbox all my goodies that I could not help but purchase. Alright, so all three packages, I've got three packages today, guys. And all three of them are from Simon Says Stamp. Alright, so this one is primarily ink, so I'm actually going to go through it all so you can see what I got. As you know, I'm expanding my Oxide collection. And what do I got here? So this here is the color combos for INKPADS from Waffle Flower. And I don't know if you remember, I will link it here. I did an unboxing a little while ago. I think it was the January one where I received a bunch of Waffle Flower stuff. I got the dies that go with this, but I neglected to pick up the stamp set because I thought that the other one that I had was going to be sufficient. But through further research, I realized that this one is awesome and I needed it. Don't judge me. Primarily because I think it'll be really great to use when I'm swatching out embossing powders. So if you've checked out any of my shorts, I will link them here. I've got 3 different playlists right now for Distress Inks blends, Distress Oxide blends, and some of the Copic blends that I've been using. There will be more. It's just been a little crazy in my personal life. Yeah. Okay, and here, I'm super excited about this, you guys. I have been waiting forever for the mini ink cubes for this. I actually do have the speckled egg already, but I don't have any of the other ones. I've been waiting for them to be released. So I'm super excited that this is finally out, and that's the reason why I actually purchased this particular order from Simon. And of course, they also came out with these mini domed ink pads. Foams things, and I actually got 2 of those because one day I hope to have enough of the actual wooden pieces to have one for each different color and blend. So like one for Distress Inks, one for Oxides. That is my hope and dream. I don't know if I'll ever get there. I don't know, we'll see. And then, of course, $5 off your next order. This is good until May 30th. Okay, and then I never show you guys these, but let's take a look at what's in here. So every time I make a purchase from Simon Says Stamp, I try to pick up a few re-inkers for my Distress Inks. So I got the Oxides in Antique Linen and Mustard Seed. So I got the re-inkers for those, and that's something that I'm trying to do because when I originally purchased my Distress Inks, was when I first started my journey into this crafting, and I purchased all the mini cubes because I am a person who needs to have all the things. If you can relate, please hit the like button. And so I got the entire Distress Ink collection in the mini cubes, and I started playing with them, and I love it so much. But I didn't start collecting the re-inkers until very recently, which was a mistake on my part because now I've got a whole bunch of colors that they're getting really dry, so it's becoming really difficult for me to play with them. So I'm trying to be strategic. I recently did a swatching. Do I have it anywhere near me? I don't know that I do. I do. And you can tell, sorry, it's a little messy. I totally dropped the ink pads, but like, if you look at the forest moss here, you can tell that my ink pad is super duper dry. So this was a stamp, and this was stamped, I think I stamped it 2 or 3 times. So there's a few that you can tell I use a lot. And then you've got something like Rustic Wilderness, which is super juicy. And yeah, so I am slowly but surely making picking all of these guys up, and I don't have a very good storage solution. So if you guys are interested in figuring out a storage solution with me, please let me know in the comments below, and I will try and do something that's camera friendly. So I've got Worn Lipstick, Shaded Lilac, and Cracked Pistachio here. All right, so that's this order. Let me get some of this stuff out of the way. I'll just move it off to the side because I'm sure I have more ink in the other ones. Actually, you know what? I don't think I do. I don't think I have ink in these ones, which is okay. All right, so this one here, because you know me and Lawn Fawn, I just can't help myself. I got some fun new stamp sets, and I love the ones that I got in another previous unboxing video. And so these guys are SMITTY'S ABCs and JESSIE'S ABCs. And I just love all the different types of font that you can get. So I have Harold's and I think it's Claire's ABCs already. So this will be a really nice thing to add to my collection. And then I am legitimately obsessed with the WAVY sayings, and I feel like I'm really lacking some basic sentiments. So I got this guy. This is the WAVY sayings from Lawn Fawn, because it's got some really great comprehensive, I guess you could say, things, because I have a lot of the scripty word dies and I love sub-sentiments. So like I have the birthday one, so I could totally do just a happy, or let's see, what's a better example? I have a hugs one, so I can have hugs and love you lots, or thinking of you, or feel better, waving hello, whatever the case is. So I'm really excited to explore that. And then I actually got this die set from Simon, and this is the sentiment labels. If you're a Kathy Zilski fan, like I am, she uses these all the time, and I wish that Lawn Fawn made a sentiment banner set like this, because it's got the just basic square corners. Sorry, I can't speak. And you know this. If you watch my videos, there's usually something. I can't talk. I lose my train of thought a lot. But anyways, so it's got a square edge, and I like that. Like, I like the look of the sentiment banners that Lawn Fawn has, but sometimes you want something a little bit more basic, just depending on what kind of look you're looking for with your card. And I'm trying to figure out how to mass produce cards. And that's one of the ways, is to create some simple designs. Probably another reason why I watch as much Kathy Zilski as I do, because she's just the guru of simple designs that don't take very long, and it's just amazing. All right, and last but not least, well, kind of last order, another one of these. We have, that's right, Rub-a-Dub-Dub. I love this stamp set, and I have been eyeing it for a long time. I can't say years, because I mean, I bought my first Lawn Fawn stamp set, I think in January of 2020. So I can't say it's been years, but this has come up quite a few times, and it's gotten worse since the new release of Lawn Fawn has come out, because let's face it, bubble borders, like, this is perfect. Am I right? Plus these ducks are so cute. You can use them with the Stitched Pond or the Bayou backdrop. Oh yeah, I have ideas, friends. So many ideas. And then I have the fancy wavy banners and just the simple wavy banners, because sometimes you want something that's a little bit more fancy than just a regular straight banner. And yeah, so I'm kind of working up my game of how to better do sentiments, I guess, and to allow me to do some more simple cards. I feel like this is a really good start for me. All right, so that's that. While I'm at it, I'm actually going to show you guys how I currently store my inks. Ignore these bins. They're from IKEA. They're amazing. If you don't have them, they are the Qgis. And as you can see, this is my adhesive collection. And of course, my giant roll of stamps because I like to mail things out. And then this is where I store my foils and the few these things that I do have. And actually, this is one of the reasons why I want to get one for each color. So this is Wilted Violet. I don't know that I'm ever going to be able to get that off. I mean, I'm not mad. It's just, you know, it's there. All right, so right now I have these. These are from the dollar store. And this is what I'm storing all my reinkers in. And I'm not super thrilled about it. But as you can tell, like obviously I don't have all of the colors of the Distress ink reinkers. And there's some other stuff in here. Like I have a couple Distress paints that I got. And some of my other stuff, like my Lawn Fawn inks, which I don't have all of them. This is just the two that I do have, which is Jellyfish and Jet Black. And then of course Memento. And oh, Picket Fence, important that. And of course a re-inker for the embossing ink that I use. And then my Oxides are looking a little bit healthier. This is how many Oxide inks I have, you guys. It's not that many. Not that many at all. So anyways, that's a little look into my workspace. And while we're at it, can anyone explain to me how to make this thing work? I cannot figure it out. I've tried so many different ways to get the ink to come out the top of the dauber. It's just, I can't. Please leave me a comment if you know how to make this thing work. I just can't figure it out. Anywho, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing with a little bit of unconventional sharing of craft space-ness. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye, guys.